I greet you in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. I'm your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Message. This message is for all the governors in Nigeria, both the president of Nigeria, most especially all the Christian politicians. Governor Ben Ayadi, the governor of Cross River State, I thought that you are a Christian. So you are in support of the Islamization of Nigeria. This land that you are planning to give out is what the Christians in Cross River will suffer in future. Everybody is aware that the problems and the killings going on in this country, Nigeria, is because of the Islamization plan. They want to use shedding of blood to achieve their mission. Now, they want to use another plan by requesting for lands to live in order to take over the territory and also to achieve their plan, which is Islamization of Nigeria. And some of the Christian governors and politicians are in full support of this evil. All the Christian politicians in Nigeria that are keeping quiet and are in support of this Islamization plan, maybe because of money or positions. Remember, you will give account of your works on earth when you die. Finally, I want to ask all Nigeria governors this question. Biafrans are seeking for freedom because Biafra land belongs to them. Oduduwa wants freedom too because Oduduwa land is their heritage. Fulani herdsmen want lands that does not belong to them in Nigeria, and there are shedding of blood of innocent Nigerians in their quest to get the land. Now, among these three groups, Biafra, Oduduwa, Fulani, I want to ask Nigeria governors, United Nations and Britain that colonized Nigeria, which of the groups that their request supposed to be granted? Is it the group that need freedom in their land, or the group that are killing people for what does not belong to them? I have not seen any governor in Nigeria that have declared support for Biafra or Oduduwa publicly. But I have seen many governors in Nigeria that are in support of giving terrorists land that does not belong to them. What a wicked generation. I want to tell all the politicians in Nigeria that you will give account of all the evil you are committing. Remember, nobody lives forever. You may think that you can do whatever you want because you have authority. But if you leave this earth, there is a greater authority that will judge you according to the evil you committed on earth. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Message. Shalom.